Let me describe a situation most teams know well. A new hire join next week. Someone needs to book the welcome lunch, set up the account, schedule the one-on-one, draft the onboarding plan, order the laptop, send the welcome email. None of this is hard. All of it takes time and it falls on a person, usually a busy HR manager or a team lead. Coordinate every single piece or the IT help desk. Every morning, the same type of ticket, password reset, software install, access request. A senior engineer spends part of their day closing ticket a system should be handling. Or the marketing team. Someone has to hold the thread of the entire content calendar. What want to out Monday, what due Thursday, whether the post scheduled for tomorrow is in brand voice. These are the real pain points, real hearts, real people doing work that is important but shouldn't require their full attention. This is exactly the type of problem the first pillar at GainWix is built to solve, and we call the solution an AI Workmate. Let me give you the clear definition. An AI Workmate is a software that wraps around AI agent and makes them work like a real teammate, with persistent memory, a defined role, and the judgment to hand off to a human at the right judgment. The Workmate is not the AI doing the task. That's the agent underneath. The Workmate is the layer above it, the thing that gives the agent context before the task starts, review the output before it's done, and hold a thread across days, sessions, and team members. The agent does the work. The Workmate makes the work fit into a real life. A Workmate is not a general purpose. It's built on a specific function, HR, IT, or marketing, or customer operation. That specificity is what lets it know the right convention, the right authority level, the right voice, and what to escalate to when something is about to remit. A good Workmate knows when to stop. Not everything should be completed automatically. Some decisions need a human. And when the Workmate hands off it hands off it with full context prepared. The human picking it up doesn't start from zero. One thing I want to be clear about, because this confuses a lot of people. An AI agent and an AI Workmate are not the same thing. An AI agent is a task executor. You give it a goal, it performs a series of steps, produces an output. It's very good at doing a specific task in a session. Then it stops and forgets. A Workmate uses agents to do tasks, but the Workmate itself is the persistent layer on top. It's what holds the memory across session. It's what knows the team's way of doing things. It's what decides which agent to use, when to use, and when to stop using it and bring a human instead. Think of it like a team. The agent or the specialist, the one who do the specific work. The Workmate is the experienced colleague who coordinates the specialist, holds the knowledge of the project, and makes sure the work fits into the real flow of the team. You don't want just a specialist, you need the colleague. Let me show you what this actually looks like. For example, an HR Workmate. Pain point. New hire onboarding is a coordination mess. Email gets missed, accounts don't get set up on time, the welcome experience is inconsistent. What the HR Workmate does, as soon as a new hire is confirmed, it starts the onboarding sequence. It drafts a welcome email, it orders the equipment, it provisions the account, schedule the one-on-one, it prepares the day one plan, and it flags every item that needs a manager to approve before it moves forward. With context already prepared, so the manager can review in seconds, not minutes. The HR team doesn't coordinate onboarding manually anymore. They review and approve. The Workmate handles the rest. Another example, an IT Workmate. Pain point, the help desk queue fills up every morning with routine requests that take senior time to process. What the IT Workmate does, it triages every ticket as it comes in. Password reset, handled automatically. Standard software installed, approved and queued. VPN access for a standard repo, provisioned. Production database access that goes to a human, with a context and risk assessment already written up. 94% of solved. The team handles the 6% that actually need human judgment. And another example, marketing Workmate. Pain point, maintaining a content calendar across platforms. Keeping posts in a brand voice, tracking what went out and what's coming. This takes real time from people who should be spending the time on strategy, creative decision. What the marketing Workmate does, it holds the editorial calendar, it drafts posts in brand voice, it tracks what's been published and what's upcoming. It's flag content for human review before it goes live. The marketing team focuses on a strategy. The Workmate handles the operational thread. And here's the broader point I want to make. Workmates are not an AI-specific solution. They are a solution to a fundamental problem that every growing team faces. As the work grows, the coordination overhead grows with it. And that overhead consumes the time and the energy of the people who should be focused on the actual work. For decades, the option were hire more people or let things fall through the cracks. AI gives us a third option. Build a Workmate, a software teammate that handles the coordination overhead so your team can focus on the work that actually needs them. That's what we are building. Not chatbots, not demos. Teammates that show up every day, know the job, and make the people around them more productive. In the next video, we see about AI infrastructure, the foundation that makes AI system actually work in production. The stuff nobody talks about, but every serious team is quietly dealing with. Subscribe, like this video, and tell me what's the coordination pain point in your team right now. That's exactly what a Workmate is designed to fix. See you tomorrow.